Anxious, yeah, very anxious, going, what's taking so long? We haven't heard anything.
Mark McPhail Jr. says it's been a tough 2 months, but the ruling proves what his family has always known.
The evidence was there. It did prove him guilty. No matter how much they say and how much, how much smoke and mirrors they want to use, it's not going to deny the evidence.
In making his ruling, Judge Moore allowed that executing an innocent person would violate the Constitution, but then said that Davis is not an innocent man. Moore said witness recantations used as new evidence were suspicious and that the majority of witnesses who recanted were not credible.
Well, the thing about it is the witnesses weren't credible when they used them to testify against Troy. And that was one thing they kept bringing up as the witnesses' criminal history. Well, they had the same criminal history when they testified against Troy, and they were credible then, so why are they not so credible now?
Troy Davis's sister continues to believe he's innocent, but the judge ruled that Davis had not proved another man had pulled the trigger. In fact, the judge pointed out that one common thread among most witnesses had been that the shooter was wearing a white shirt. McPhail Jr. says that's a piece of evidence that never changes.
Even before the police knew who to look for, all the witnesses were saying the guy in the white shirt did it. The guy in the white shirt shot that officer. From what I understand, it's going to go back to the Supreme Court. They're going to actually have to finally rule on their on his appeal to them, and after that, we hope the execution date gets set.
Well, my family continues to fight. We won't give up. We're going to continue to fight. We believe that Troy is innocent, and so we're going to fight. We understand that, the McPhail family wants closure, but what happens if they get that closure, Troy is executed, and we find out that Troy is innocent?